Hello. So basically, I want to take you through the overview of the system, like what you see at the end of the day as an administrator. So still, you're going to log in, username and password. And to remind ourselves, this is where we register a new item. Then here on services, any other service we offer, which is not inventory related, we can also capture it there. So long as we sell it, then invoicing is the first step all our clients go through before they pay. One gets an invoice, then they pay after. Then quotations are basically for clients who just want quotations. And payments is where we receive payments from our clients. Our clients pay under client payments. And bill payments is us paying our suppliers. Then expenses is basically capturing the few transactions we've made that require money. An available stock will basically show you how much you bought at any particular time. To expire, it's just basically a list of items that are going to expire soon. Then restock is what you really need to buy. So we are out of stock for these particular items. And stock card will basically just show you opening stock and your quantity in, your sold quantities, adjustments. It's basically stock report. So once you load it will show that between this period, for this item you've not bought, but you sold one, you've not lost any. So your account, your balance at hand is this. So overdue, it will show you the list of clients who have not yet paid their invoices and they're due. So for example, it will show you that this person got an invoice on 3rd and was supposed to pay on 3rd. The bill was this, so they still have a balance of this. So these are people who need to be followed up by the accounts department. And cash book will basically show you how much has been paid in on that particular day and the expenses that have gone with it. The inventory is just going to have the receiving of inventory, stock tag, rate of stock, and transfers. Then supplier account, supplier statement, supplier history. So here you can even actually just look at let's say Medifin and say what have they supplied us between, let's say, this period of time, and it will show you all the supplies from Medifin and on which invoice number and the details. Then we have banking, where we can physically, in case we deposit money physically, it says not from the business, because remember, for payments, as the payments are made, we allocate them to the appropriate banks. So as we make the deposit, you can decide to which account to put the money, source, where it's coming from, then a deposit type, then you enter bank by who, so you save that. And in case you need to transfer money, maybe let's say from petty cash account, and we want to bank it to Bank of Baroda, so you just do an account transfer, put how much and the details for the transfer, so the money moves from the petty cash account to the bank, and you also physically move the money into the bank. So the statement will also show you how that particular account has been doing in any particular period of time. And it's also a printable report. So basically these are reminders in case you need to do something, you just log it there. And under setup is where we add our staff, users, suppliers and customers. Then under tools is basically roles, resetting any person's password, and then reports. Here in reports you can see them was selling wrong, any item at the wrong price, so it will clearly indicate them that you are actually, this item has a unit cost of 70, but you're trying to sell it at 35. So it will ask you it will prompt you to adjust that to the correct value. So revenue turnover is actually profitability. So we're gonna look at this to show you. Fine, we sold 10 pieces. We bought each at 5,000, selling at 10. So for 10 pieces we've sold, we've made a profit of 50,000. So these are reversals, just basically returning some few things, and that's how basically that's how the entire system flows. So thank you.